Welcome to Raymond Classes. Dear friends, today we are going to deal about English workshop of 2.1. The 2.1 you start dying slowly. So, dear friends, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 questions I want to solve here in this video. So, and next two questions are there and I will solve in next video because the problem of time. So, I will start and I will show you the activities and how we should solve. You start dying slowly 2.1 and this is written by Pablo Neruda and I am going to make a English workshop video. Here activity 1, read the different messages in the poem given below. Choose one that suits this poem best. Here they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 statements and which is the proper statement. Means I choose here be yourself and do what your heart tells you, and this is the suits, means this is the proper sentence or the statement of the poem. So I will go to the second activity. State the following theme or central idea of the poem. I have written the possible answer. Enjoy your every moment of life. Change your lifestyle according to the situation. Follow your dreams and take risks sometimes. B. Line that provides evidence of the theme. If you do not change your life, you start dying slowly. C. Three characteristics from the poem that makes a person dull and uninteresting. Walking every day to same path, strictly following the routine, wearing only same colors, speaking only known persons. Activity 3. Pick out 4 adjectives from the poem and write them down with the nouns they describe. I have written the in a upper side they are nouns. Turbulent, this is the noun, and sensible is noun, glistening is noun, and different is noun. Turbulent emotion, sorry. These upper sides are adjectives and below means following sides are means down lines are nouns. So turbulent is the adjective and emotions are the nouns. Sensible is the adjective and this advice is a noun, and glistening is adjective and eyes are noun. Different is adjective and colors are noun. Okay, and then I will go to the fourth one. Compare the structure of the poem You Start Dying Slowly to the poem in unit 1, 1.1 and 1.3. To which poem does the structure match? So I have written here You Start Dying Slowly means the length of stanzas different from one to another, and the teenager's prayer 1.1 length of each stanza is 4 line, and number 2 the length is there is no rhyme, means pre-verse is there, rhyme scheme. Here the teenagers, the rhyme scheme is A B C B. Number 3 it is a free verse, and the teenager's prayer it is a rhymed verse. You Start Dying Slowly it is a set of advice, and teenagers it is a prayer, and You Start Dying Slowly 2.1 mood is suggestive, and teenagers prayer mood has been requested to the god. Activity 5. What expression is repeated in the poem? How many times? Why do you think the poet emphasized it? Means 3 questions are there and I have written here. First answer, if you start dying slowly is repeated in the poem. This sentence is repeated. How many times? 5 times I hope. And number 3, why do you think the poet emphasized? The poet emphasized the true being of the life and love and naturals, which things we should follow in our life. He should understand himself. Activity 6. Write the opposites of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. And I have written possible answers. You do not travel, you should travel as much as you can. You do not appreciate yourself, you should appreciate yourself. You kill your self-esteem, you should keep your self-esteem. You become a slave of habits if you not control your habits. You refuse to speak to strangers, you should enjoy with strangers. You do not change your life, you should you should not change, means you should change your life according to the situation. You refuse to take a risk, means you should take risk sometimes. I go to the activity 7, and here go through the following steps and discuss in pairs about the facts mentioned in it. Write paragraph using the points given. Another interesting title: living a better life. Get rid of one bad habit at a time. Avoid negative thoughts and be positive. Trust yourself, love what you do. Try to enrich your mind by becoming lifelong learner. Sharing and caring makes life enjoyable. Be humble, respect and welcome, or accept each day with a smile. And I have written the possible answer. I have given the heading: true loving. Life is a divine gift of God. It should be lived in happy manner. We should learn how to live in the society. We should control ourselves, our bad habits. We should ready for always and everything of upcomings. We should think positively, we should not think negatively. We should learn continuously. We are social animals. We should share our problems and pleasures with our friends or relatives. We should be humble and respect to others. We should always lead simple life. We should see our happiness in others' life. It is calling as a true living. Complete the following table with the things in your life which help you to change your habits and routine. If I do this, if I travel, I shall know the world and I shall understand the world. If I read, I shall know the things and I will become wise. If I change my bad habits, I shall live with healthy life. If I play continuously on a mobile phone, I shall miss the pleasure of playing outdoor games. If I don't make friends, I shall become alone and unable to express my feelings. Number 9. Everyone needs inspiration to move ahead or make progress in our life. There are some things which inspire us to live better. What are those things? I have written stories, movies, speeches, dramas, poems, sports, etc. Number 10. Complete the following web diagrams with the words that go with their topics: turbulent, thoughts, emotions, sea waves, streams, storm. Glistening, gold, glass, stars, sun, eyes. Advice, sensible, world, discussion, man, thought, advice. So, dear friends, here in this video I have solved 10 activities and I hope you understood thoroughly. So if you have any comments, please comment on our YouTube channel and share to your friends. If you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and it will help us to upload our future videos. Thank you very much.